Beauty expert Jill Dunn joins us this morning with her favorite stocking stuffers and viral gift ideas for every beauty lover on your list.
Thanks so much for having me.
Yes.
This is awesome. So pretty much everything I'm talking about today you can find at Sephora Canada, because that really is the ultimate destination. They have so many great value gift sets for skincare, hair care, makeup, fragrance. They have.
And now's the time of year to get them.
I know. It's
because they're limited edition.
Yeah, and you want, if the beauty lover has something specific, you don't want to disappoint. So we're going to talk first about fragrance. I think fragrance is such a giftable item, and something very cool at Sephora that I wanted to flag that not everybody knows about, but there's a way to even make your fragrance gift more personal. At select Sephora stores, you can actually get your bottle of fragrance engraved.
Okay.
Or get a special message. And one of my favorite brands at Sephora right now is Kayali, so I brought some here, and this is their musk set. So it's these 4 deluxe mini bottles. They are absolutely stunningly gorgeous, and they're really all about layering, and you can just pull that off. And
pull it off, and it's not gonna.
And I am actually wearing one today. If you want to smell it, it's this one's a fragrance or a musk latte, freedom latte.
Oh, and it's really light. So they're meant to be layered with each other.
That's the whole vibe of this Kayali brand, and that's why I really love it. And I love that you can get them engraved as well, which is great and really personal way to step that up.
What's this one?
So this one I want to talk about because for makeup lovers, everybody who loves makeup loves the brand Charlotte Tilbury. And of course, Sephora has so many great makeup stocking stuffers and gift sets. This is one I want to shout out, especially for the party season, because this is it's her Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Mini Setting Spray Kit. So there's 2 setting sprays here. You can prime with it, you can set your makeup with it, or you can refresh your makeup, and it lasts up to 16 hours. So it's going to get you through holiday party season.
Okay, yeah. So it's just going to set everything and do the nice refresh.
Exactly, and it's good to prime the skin as well, so your makeup isn't settling in, and I feel like this is the time of year everybody wants their makeup to last.
Yes.
So this is a great option, and there's 2 different scents in there.
Especially if you're going like from work or school to a party.
Exactly.
Okay.
So I want to talk about viral gift sets as well.
And you told me something about a lie flat.
Yeah, a flat lay.
A flat lay, sorry,
yes.
A flat lay on social media.
Yeah, so all the viral gift sets, they look so good in what's called a flat lay. So that's when everybody, kind of takes their products out of their purse and they take a nice aesthetic photo of it. Summer Fridays, the brand is almost always in the mix.
Okay.
And Summer Fridays, this is their holiday trio. So they have their famous face mask, which is the blue tube, and then they have 2 of their 2 limited edition scents of their lip balm. This is cocoa, and this is toasted marshmallow. And I got you to smell them right before we came on.
Toasted marshmallow is phenomenal.
It is so phenomenal, and they go on clear. They're very nice and nourishing, but they're not overpowering, and they are limited edition. I swear this one is totally viral on social media, so you're going to want to scoop it up sooner than later.
Okay, and then what's this one?
So we've got to give the gift of great hair days as well. So one of my favorite brands is Olaplex. They're really famous for products that are all about, soothing damage and getting your hair looking really soft and gorgeous. And they have in this gift set the full size of their bonding product, and then a mini size of the oil. I love this oil to prevent not only hair making it look good, but it also prevents static, which I really like. So you can put these in damp hair or in dry hair as a finisher, and beauty lovers love this brand, so it's a great gift, and of course also at Sephora.
All right, and then the little mini lip glosses.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So Sephora Collection is the in-house brand at Sephora, so they have so many great makeup sets at such a great price as well. So this one is from Sephora Collection. This is their lip creams. There's 5 different ones, and trust
okay, what's a lip cream now?
It's like a lip cream stain. So these have staying power. So it's like a little more intense than a lipstick.
Okay.
But it lasts a little bit longer. So it's a cream stain formula,
but not so much of a gloss.
That's right. So it actually goes on and it dries down. And trust me, these last through mocktails, cocktails, under the mistletoe moments. These are very long lasting, up to 10 hours of wear.
Are they tough to take off?
They're actually not. You can use a makeup wipe or a makeup remover, and I just love that. This is the time of year also where you want that staying power.
Yes.
With your lip.
You don't want it transferring all over the glass.
Yeah. So exactly. So Sephora Collection, again, they have so many great options, and everything that I talked about today I linked in my Instagram bio if you want to know where to get it.
In the flat lay? Did I say
lay.
it?
That's right.
Flat
Yeah.
lay.
Well, I want to see
Something
your
I
flat
learned
lays
today.
on your Instagram, Annette.
Okay, with a book.
Yes, exactly. That's very aesthetic.
Okay,
as kids
we'll get
say.
your links up on our website at
Thank you.
chch.com.